Welcome to Patriot Hobbies. Racing is life. Today we're going to open the Super 3 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Here it is. All right, let's put it on the track.
Now right here I'm switching lanes with the controller. I'm going from lane 4 to lane 1. So I could set up the car a little bit later for a short skit basically. But it's that easy. It's really that easy to switch the controller around and go to any lane you want. Hi, just to kind of touch base, my name is Matt. This is my layout. I used to build model trains a lot back in my youth and my 20s. But as life kind of gets busy and you get more skin in the game, you get more kids, you seem to lose kind of time for those things. But one of the things that this channel is about is making time for hobbies and making old things new. And that includes model trains and slot cars. And such, I've begun to really start to bring out some of my old model train houses and buildings. I have the elevations about where I want it. I have the track about where I want it. Initially, I wanted to do a more of a NASCAR oval, but with the Victory 400 and trying to make a layout out of it to show that a perfect, almost small club-sized layout can be made out of it, I've kind of gone with the road course. And so that's what we have here. As far as work, I don't have any actual writing deadlines till next Monday night, so I'm going to try to really get some of this landscaping done this week. And in addition, I'm also working on a Patriot Hobbies blog, and the first blog piece will be on Pro Tinker Toys, so look for that to be coming. Thanks, guys.